8 degrees, get to leave this. Turn off that. Man, I've not picked up this camera in forever. As you can see, I have all my gear here. I'm going to LA. All right, I've employed Uber driver guy, UDG. Thanks, Mikey P, dropping me off at the airport. Get this fancy truck. It's my first time I've ever been inside of it. It used to have a, and look at that. It's a Manuel. Yeah, he traded in the GTI for the, was it a GTI or was it a GTI? A Golf? Yeah, it was a GTI. Traded in the GTI for a truck, which makes sense for bike life and all that. But here we go, guys. We're at the international departures here. We'll do a cool airplane thingy that everyone does on YouTube, and we'll see you in LA. Here's the LA airport. We made it. Got my luggage, and we're gonna go get the car now. Thank you, Can-Am. Don't even have to carry my own bags. Okay, boys and girls. So the reason why I'm here is from the title. I'm here for the Can-Am press event, let's say. So as you guys know, it's a 3-wheeled motorcycle. We're leaving the airport. We're going to the hotel, which is Sunset, and the 405, which is not too far. Oh, is this the new Navigator? Oh, it's the facelift though, right? Yeah. Yeah, the new one as well. All right, boys and girls, we're in the limo, and in about 10 seconds, we're gonna see that beautiful, beautiful LA traffic. 4:05 at, what time is it? 5 o'clock, and we are going about 10. And at this rate, we might be late for the shuttle I need to take, so hopefully we get there in time. There was an accident back there. I couldn't get it on camera, unfortunately, but it was a 3 or 4 car pileup, and now we are cruising. And yes, there's no snow, there's no ice, there's no rain, there's no wind, and people just smash into each other, so there you go. Here you go, here's another accident. Oh my goodness. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Good job, boys and girls. So my driver just told me that this is actually a hotel. All these years, I thought that was apartments. And apparently, I'm staying at this hotel tonight. So there you go. Round door key, round mirror. So obviously this building's round. I think we can get out here somehow. How do we open this? Oh, it's like electric, it looks like. Yes, it's electric blind. It should be a button. Oh, the technology. Welcome to the hotel room. I'm gonna quickly freshen up and get out of here because I was a little bit late on the flight, and also the traffic. We have to blast downstairs, get the shuttle, go to the launch event. It's funny, it's made in Canada, it's a Canadian company, Can-Am, but here we are in LA. I guess everyone's out in LA. Here's a view from my hotel room. So this is the 405 right here, and then this is Sunset, one of my favorite roads, going down to the PCH that way. Okay, I'm gonna change the battery and let's get out of here. That LA traffic noise, man, I tell ya. There's our shuttle, we're taking that. I think the bikes are around the back. Let's go try and find them.
No, they have to, you know, you have to like figure out.
Drive south to get the Can-Am.
Yeah, south into
Oh
Windsor.
yeah, that's crazy. That kind of is weird. Yeah.
Hello, Daniel.
Sir, how are you?
Good.
You made it.
We did. Is this 608? Is this where we're going? No.
Right.
The other side. There we go. Oh, it's right there. There it is. All right, so we made it to the event, boys and girls. Check it out. The Ryker. All the social media photos we've already seen. And here's the machine right here. I'm used to ready to race, but that's okay. Oh yeah, food. I'm hungry. We have another one, some more colors. Lots of colors. Nice.
Maybe it'll look like his ass is on fire.
Nice bright ass, boy. Alright, you probably can't hear me, but we're at the event. They have a DJ, they have drinks, they even brought food trucks in for us. They have people here that don't even ride motorcycles, so tomorrow's going to be super exciting to actually ride the Ryker. It's right here. Get a better look at it tomorrow. But boys and girls, it's going to be fun. There's no clutch, no front brake. It's linked brakes. Apparently there's like a mean burnout, so we'll see about that. But we just ordered some food here. We got the fried chicken from these guys here at Astro. So there's lots of options for colors and whatnot. You can get some parts. They've got passenger seats, panniers, you know, even a nice little tank bag. So all these pieces here are actually Can-Am Ryker parts that have been painted, and they're actually going to give me one for my wall, which is pretty dope. So check that out later on, but there you go. We're catching Brittany in the wild.
Weird, right?
With her accent. Is what she gets for photobombing me earlier? I want to put the photo in right here. That's her fault. Everyone knows Brittany Morrow, come on.
Want to go back to the hotel, they're tired. By all means, please go ahead and go jump on the bus now without your drink in your hand.
Oh, come
Last
on,
call
man.
The bar is going to be at 9:45, and the second and final bus to the hotel is going to be at 10 o'clock. Saber's going to continue to keep painting up there. So.
All right, so me and Jesse have been tagged with stealing one of these panels. These are panels from a Ryker, if you can believe that. So there it is right there, that's mine. Jesse from Florida, which one is yours?
I think I'm gonna go with this one, man. I like the color. I like the
Grab it. Let's see,
rawness.
take it. Oh, it's got a screw in there. It's not gonna come out.
Nope. Yours does too. So.
He lied. Let's go find him. Brittany, let's see yours.
Oh, it's so rad.
Oh, that's beautiful. So this one here is the one I have selected. So here we have beautiful. So this guy is Saber, right?
Yep.
And he made this piece.
Don't forget, the signature was Brittany's idea.
But he's doing this bike right here for Can-Am. It is beautiful. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, no sweat.
All right, so it's the end of the event. We're going in the limo bus now. I've got my piece here I stole from the wall. Beside it right there. S-A-B-E-R, Saber A-W-R. We're hanging out with this boy here all the way from Harlem. His name's Stefan. He works for BRP, kind of. Long story, but he's got his piece right there. And there's Daniel right there, my limo driver. What's up, boys? And we'll see you back at the hotel. Red one! What's up, brother? We're out here on the 405. We're in the Jetta GTLI, whatever. Well, at least it's red one.
Always. It's in the title.
If you see a red GLI speeding, his license plate is...
Blur my plates.
I'll blur.
Blur my plates.
I'll blur it. Don't you worry. Where are we? We are in
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica,
And it's
where the tax is high.
Barkowski.
So all the other journalists... Hello, Sachi. Did you even California, bro, if you didn't get in and out? It's 12:30, 1 o'clock-ish. We're up in 5 hours. So 6:30 to go to the actual breakfast and the staging area and the information and all the press stuff in the morning. So guys, I'm going to bed.